Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. It's Valentine's Day.
It is.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, thank you for my lemon tree.
Yeah. This is a 3-year follow-up on the repair of a failed FUE with a strip. And we did a video of him a couple of years ago, and he is one in a long line of medical professionals who saw an advertisement someplace for a mechanized FUE that was guaranteed to work and not leave any scars. And he came in about a year out from that, or a year and a half out from that, and looked like this. And there's no hair there in this. And going against him, like a lot of these guys, he's got really fair skin, and he's got pretty black hair, and so there's a big color contrast. And so I was able to talk him into doing a little strip case, and I think I have a little clip of it. If so, I'll put it up here. So I just finished making a bunch of holes in this fellow's head, and he had a failed transplant before, and even though these holes are oozing, it's hard to see these holes even with his hair buzzed down to what, a quarter inch? Yeah, a number 1 cut. Can you wipe again, Wendy?
Wendy do this. Wendy do that.
Wendy do that. So there's no way that the doctor that he went to before could see to make the correct holes with long hair.
Compared to this.
And then there's no way that the techs could see the holes to hit them, because I can't even see them, hardly. And then if there's a bunch of hair there, how are you going to get those hairs in the hole and not have them stuck to the hair? So that in combination with overhyped robotic marketing is responsible for our repair case here today. And then he sent in a couple of friends.
Yeah, 2.
Right? Mm-hmm. And I gave him grief on email for not ever coming back to see me. And he drove in right around Christmas time. And we didn't do a video. We didn't want to show his face. His wife, she was a good-looking girl. She now had 1 kid, and I think a second kid was in the oven. And he looked like this, and that's a good result.
Yeah, it looks really good, yeah.
Now, he's got good Middle Eastern hair. I mean, that stuff covers well. It's like big Leyland cypress trees covering grass. It's awesome. Going against him is he's thin in the back, and he probably needs another case. And because he had this misadventure before he got to us, there's less hair than he probably ultimately needs. But so just another in a long line of failed FUEs that we've fixed with a strip. Not saying FUE doesn't work. We do 3 FUEs a month.
Yeah.
But you have to pick the patient and pick the need before you do it. We've got lots of videos that go into that. So if we can help you, give us a call.